Hi, in this video I want to demonstrate how we can add WordPress admin user through phpMyAdmin. For example, you have a website, you lose credential to log in to your website or client website, but you have access to phpMyAdmin or hosting and you can add it very easy. My name is Johan, I am WordPress developer and I will demonstrate it right now. Okay, let's do it. So the first point, you need to log in to your hosting, then you go to databases. Usually it's already there is button login to MyAdmin without filling password and login. You click and open your page MyAdmin. It's everything in everyone is the same. Then you go to database, find users. And here we need to add this new user. Usually I create it like temporary information. Then when I log into WP admin, I create a new one, correct user, and remove this temporary user. So we click insert, then login. Login can be admin. Let's do this one. Pass, but very important here, need to pick this one, because if it will be not pick, it will not work. Yeah, you this one, it can be like this one, it can be this one, I don't care about it. Let's date setup like this one. Done, go. So the first one row added. First part is done. Second part, we need to go to users and remember ID our user, because it can be many of them. Our ID user is 5. It's very important. Then we go user meta, and here we need click insert and again to add 2 rows. Which rows? Here in the description, last step. Here we need to add these params with ID user. So here ID user, write 5, this parameter and second parameter. Go. First row, one row done. Again we need to insert and we need to add again user ID, this one parameter and this one parameter. 5 user ID 5, this parameter 10. Go. Great. So let's test it. We go to WP admin, right here, this one, login. Great, successful. So now what I would do usually, I would add a new correct user for me and remove this temporary user, and that's all, and everything will be great. If you like this video, click like, subscribe to the channel. On this channel I demonstrate how to fix something, how handle something, how develop something, and it will be useful for you. And remember that I have article for it. If you need something more detail about it, you can open it and read it here. Bye.